Y'all see it, man. We're gonna get y'all that before. What's that before? He hitting the tires right now. If your watchman don't get them dough jams, fire him. Hey, what's up, 803 WHIPGAMEz, man? We had this stitch by Slick. Let's see if we can get in.
Close, we on lunch.
Is that the wife in there too? The wife having lunch too? Y'all see how they do me, YouTube? In here chilling. What I done miss?
None.
Oh. I guess I'll head to the back. Where that thing at?
Talk to Border Patrol.
Oh. Oh.
No, look the car.
No see?
No.
No boy, no.
No. Out, please.
And like I said, man, this is Ken on the boy Nelson, man, it's your boy CC, and we got my boy Cut 803 on the YouTube channel, man. Subscribe to him. If you don't subscribe to him, then we're trying to be provided by him, and he'll never stop giving you the best you could ever get. You did?
Y'all see it, man. We're gonna get y'all that before. What's that before? He hitting the tires right now. Truck ain't been washed in 4 months. This the before. Y'all see it, man. It's filthy. It's filthy. It's filthy. Y'all see it before now. Y'all see the before. Y'all see it, huh? Y'all see it. We'll be back in a minute with that.
JP on a different planet.
Hey, quit that shit up.
Stop playing with him, man. Y'all see it? Y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. That glass. Let me get y'all, man. That glass. Y'all see me? Y'all saw it before, man. Y'all better tap in before it's too late. I'm gonna show y'all something. He finna work some magic for me. Y'all see that? Y'all know I'm picky. Y'all see that? A couple little scratches. Watch him make it disappear. Y'all see it, man. Go subscribe to the channel. We back now. We back. Bro, I'm recording you through the car. And y'all stop playing, man. Y'all see that? Y'all see that, man? Pop your shit, bro.
I ain't got nothing to say. I let the work speak for itself.
Y'all heard that? That's what I like. Y'all heard that? Y'all wait around for it. Plenty more videos to come. We working. Look at that sun hitting that thing, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah, this one right here called a Dark Knight. I named her the Dark Knight. Pull up. What's up, 803 WHIPGAMEz, man? Y'all see it, man. We on the move. We headed to Stitch by Slick. I'm fresh off the road. Man, it's been a big surprise. I've been getting, you know, calls and texts but I can't see nothing. I was told I can't even see my car. Everybody else done seen my car. The wife done seen it. Spooner, he done seen it. C done seen it. But hey, man, I'm happy. Hey, I'm blessed. Hey, y'all, we hit that 5K subscribers. The giveaway coming real soon to a loyal subscriber. And another thing I want to address, 803 WHIPGAMEz. We gotta do better, man. We gotta do better, y'all. 98% of my viewers are non-subscribers. 98% of my viewers. Y'all hear me? I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. But 98% of my viewers are non-subscribers. So I'm gonna need my subscribers to step it up a notch. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that notification bell so when the videos come on, y'all get them. Check them out. Check them out. Take a time out your day and mess with your boy. Drop a comment. Share the videos, man. Let's not stagnate ourselves at 5K. Shit. Might raffle off a card. 20K subscribers. Let's pipe the channel up. Share it. Dope footage coming. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to Big Wheel Network. Plenty footage. You got plenty different series, live events to choose from. It's in your app store, bigwheelnetwork.com. Subscribe to it. Tune in with the movement, man. It's a Carolina movement. We headed to Stitch by Slick right now. Y'all make sure y'all go follow his YouTube channel if you ain't. Make sure you go follow Boss Lady channel. Coffees and CAMAROS chick. She got some pressure on the way. But man, let me get up here and see what all this fuss about. And like I say, man, y'all know the routine. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It's free. Shout out to all my supporters, man. It's your boy Tay Whips. We checking out.
I'm just smoking, thinking about my
Hey, new merch on the way. New merch definitely on the way, man. New merch. Wristbands. Y'all see it, man. Wristbands. Shirts. Man. Hoodies. Decals. Man, we working, man. We working. We working. We about to pull up on Stitch by Slick, man. So y'all know it's about to be a movie, man. Be on the lookout for that Big Hefe returns. It dropped today. Alright, y'all. We here, we made it. Man, they got some. I ain't seen these up here before. That Benz clean. Got the Benz over there. Y'all know my baby right here. I love this car. I love this car. I don't even think he drive it enough. Y'all see it. We got the wife car up here. She about to get right. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Let's see if we can get in. Yo, yo! Yo! Oh.
We closed. We on lunch.
You hear that? They say they closed, they on lunch. Look at this, y'all. Who is that? The wife in there too? The wife having lunch too? Y'all see how they do me, YouTube? Y'all see how they do me?
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Damn, you ain't working today?
I'm always working.
No, you ain't. You ain't got on work clothes.
I'm camera working today.
Oh. What you got? I thought you was bringing some junkyard shit by here.
Oh, I got something for you.
Oh, okay.
Yep. What we got going on in here?
Not much, Mr. Wi-Fi.
What we got going? Hey, boss lady.
Hi.
Yeah, I know what's going on. Coffees and Camaro shit. Go subscribe.
Subscribe to me.
Wife in here chilling. What I done miss?
None.
Oh. I guess I'll head to the back. Where that thing at?
Talk to Border Patrol.
Where that thing, man? Let's go see this Cutlass, y'all. Oh.
Out, please.
Oh.
No, look the car.
No see?
No,
No boy, no.
no. Out, please.
Y'all heard that, man. I can't even get back there.
Sorry.
Hey, you heard it.
Bye bye.
All right. Hey, y'all, stay tuned. We out.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Alright, we made it, y'all. We up here Stitch by Slick. But I got bad news. We ain't gonna get to see it. Gotta wait around for it. Whip of the week. Stay tuned. The Cutlass in the back. She getting right. I don't know. They got it blocked off. They won't let me in. They didn't want to let me in. But I'm in. That's as far as I can get right here in the lobby. So y'all wait around for it. Make sure y'all subscribe to Stitch by Slick page for the whip of the week. You may catch it on there first. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that post notification bell for when these videos drop, y'all get it. And make sure y'all go give my boy Stitch a follow and Coffees and Camaro chick. We out.